This is a recording from Osborne Books, MATST Chapter 7. You are the bookkeeper of Catering for All Occasions, a business which provides catering services. It is owned by Amy Cox. Amy has asked you to produce some management accounting information for her, analysing the year's performance against budget. We need to save the spreadsheet in the appropriate location, giving it the name given. Open the renamed worksheet on 7.10, which I've got here on the right, and it's saying insert catering for occasions in A1. So it wants it to be bold and size 11. Insert year ended 31st of December in A2 in the same format. Okay, so if I click here, go to here, Format Painter, and then click on there, it will format it for me. Ensure all data can be viewed by adjusting the column width as needed. So I'm just going to go magic triangle, double click. Spell check. So I'm going to go review, spell check, spelling. Electricity, red. Done. In cell C3, enter a pound sign. Copy it to E3. Use copy and paste to link to insert figures from worksheet 7.10, budgeted and actual in column C's and D's. So these need to go here. So copy and paste link. So equals, open bracket, click, enter. Then I can replicate across and replicate down. Marketing. Insert a row underneath row 2. So I'm going to click on 2, right click, insert, oops, 3, right click, insert, done. Insert row underneath row 2, insert another row underneath row 4. So there we go. Enter percentage of budget in F4. Percentage budget. It's capital B. Okay, insert and F4, merge and center E2 and F2. So E2 and F2. So home, merge and center. Calculate the variance of each item of revenue and each cost in E6 to E16. So this is revenue, so it's equals open brackets A minus B, close brackets, enter. I can then replicate that down for the other revenue. Right here equals open brackets, budget minus actual, close bracket. And then I can replicate all the way down to fixed. Using different formulas of revenues and costs, use custom formatting to show favourable variances in black and adverse in red as a minus sign. So, right click, format cells. Wants it as a minus, so number minus done. Next bit, calculate the variance of budget. So we know V divided by B times 100. But it's asking me to do it as percentage, so I won't need to do the 100. So equals, open brackets, variance divided by budget, close brackets, enter. I'm going to replicate that down. And then I'm going to format that as percentage. Do it want 2 decimal places? Yeah, 2 decimal places. Done. Format the budget figures and actual figures as figures and actual figures with 1,000 separator. 0 decimal places. Done. Calculate the operating profit for C17, actual D17, and using C17, D17, the variance in E17. So I'm going to be going equals sum, add up my revenue, close bracket, minus my sum, add up all my costs, close brackets, which gives me 21,700. I can replicate that across. And in the variance, I'm going to be going equals, open bracket, income, so actual minus profit, close bracket, enter. Oops. An if statement in E18 to show balance if the variance column total equals E17 and check if it doesn't. So I'm going to go to formula, if, and I'm going to go if sum, open brackets, E6 to E16, whoops, E6 to E16 equals E17, then I want you to say balanced. Otherwise, I want you to say check. Okay. Insert header. So home for headers. Sorry, headers is insert. Header, and I want catering for occasions. Yeah, ended. And I want a footer to show variance analysis. And it wants the current time and date. Done. And then it says set and print orientation to landscape. So layout, orientation, landscape. And there you have it. This task is now complete.